Hello and welcome to Fieldwire. The use of Fieldwire's integration with Power BI allows for cross-project analysis and reporting on various information within a Fieldwire project. In this video, we will review the steps to properly set up Power BI dashboards and how to continue to utilize them through the life of projects, including adding new projects. It's important to check a couple of items before starting the Power BI setup process. First, ensure that you and your account meet the necessary prerequisites. Verify that you have admin access to your Fieldwire account, as this is required to access the API and set up integrations. Additionally, you'll need to generate a Fieldwire API key to authenticate with the system. Lastly, download and install Power BI Desktop for Windows, ensuring that you have at least the April 2024 version or later, as older versions might not support some of the newer features. Once all requirements have been met, the setup process can begin. Navigate to the Integrations tab on the Fieldwire homepage. From there, select the Microsoft Power BI integration. Once selected, Fieldwire will prompt the download of both the connector and template, which has some pre-built dashboards for Fieldwire data. After downloading and extracting the files, the next step is to install the custom connector. Copy the Fieldwire connector PQX file into the Power BI Desktop Custom Connectors folder. The default location for this folder is shown on the screen. If the folder doesn't exist, you may need to create it. By placing the PQX file in this folder, you ensure that Power BI recognizes the custom connector when you try to use it. Next, open the Power BI dashboard template. Just double-click the file, and it will automatically launch Power BI. If this is your first time setting this up, you will need to enter your API key. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your project IDs. These are the unique identifiers for each Fieldwire project you want to pull into the dashboard. You can find your project ID in the URL bar when you're inside a project. Enter your project IDs in a comma-separated list. Once they're all in, click Load. Power BI will now connect to your Fieldwire data and populate the dashboard. This may take a few seconds depending on how many projects you entered. At this point, Fieldwire data will load into Power BI's pre-built dashboard. The template consists of 4 pages: Tasks Project Overview, Tasks People Overview, Tasks Checklist Items, and Forms Overview. The Tasks Project Overview page is project-focused, allowing you to identify projects and tasks that are behind schedule. Tasks People Overview gives context into what users are assigned the most tasks, when those tasks are due, and can provide managers with clear information as to their team's performance. Tasks Checklist Items dives further into data that is part of a task and can be filtered to show which checklist items are completed or not. Lastly, the Forms Overview shows what the status is of various form templates on your projects. You can use these pages as is, or you can further customize and refine these visualizations based on your specific needs to gain insights into your Fieldwire projects. Now we'll show you how to customize and enhance your dashboards in Power BI, from editing visuals to creating dynamic layouts and importing new data sources. To edit a visual, simply click on it. You can easily change elements like the title or swap data fields. For example, let's replace the project name with the project creation date. Just drag and drop it in. You can switch how the data is displayed by quarter, day, or even the last time it was updated. You can swap out other fields. For instance, instead of project name, you can show the task assignee. Just remove the existing legend and drag in the assignee's email. Click here to switch views and see your tasks laid out in a calendar format. To pull in more data, click on Get Data. Power BI supports a wide range of sources like JSON, Excel, SQL databases, and third-party apps. If you're using Fieldwire or other apps at work, check the marketplace for connectors. Just click and connect. Once your dashboard is ready, you can save it and click refresh anytime to update it with the latest data. Use the table view to see your data in a spreadsheet format. You can create new tables or columns, apply logic, and combine multiple tables together. Use the model view to define how your tables are connected, like setting a one-to-many relationship between users and forms. You're not limited to default visuals. Head over to the Visual Marketplace and install plugins to unlock more visualization types, like this Gantt view for task planning. Just drag in the right data fields: task name, project, start and end dates, and assignee. And your Gantt chart is ready to go. You can further personalize your visuals, adjust colors, font sizes, layout, and more. You can select multiple visuals and copy them across pages to save time building dashboards. Once you're done, just hit save. You've now built a personalized, powerful dashboard you can easily refresh and adapt to your team's needs. For more information on setting up and maintaining your Power BI dashboards, check out our help article linked in the description box. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@fieldwire.com.